Welcome. In this video we are going to learn RouteAdd Post module in Metasploit. What is pivoting? Pivoting is a unique technique of using an instance to be able to move around inside a network, basically using the first compromise to allow and even aid in the compromise of otherwise inaccessible system. In this scenario, we will be using it for routing traffic from a normally non-routable network. For example, we are a pen tester for security. You pull the company directory and decide to target a user in the target IT department. This module manages session routing via an existing Metasploit session. It enables other modules to pivot through a compromised host when connecting to the named network and submask. RouteAdd will search a session for valid subnet from the routing table and interface list, then add routes to them. Default will add a default route so that all TCP or IP traffic not specified in the MSF routing table will be routed through the session when pivoting. See documentation for more info-t and click knowledge base. Let's open up terminal. Here I've already created Metasploit session. Type sessions. Session 1 is active session. Let's load AutoRoute module into the MSF console. Type use post multi/manage AutoRoute. Type info basic option cmd specific the AutoRoute command. Session the session to run this module. Module brief descriptions. Set session as 1. Let's execute it. This module is running on YTPC. Here you can see that route added to subnet 192.168.88.0 255.255.255.0 from host routing table. So that's it in this video on RouteAdd Post exploitation module in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.